you future continuous tense. Firstly, I explained present continuous, past continuous, and now future continuous tense. What is the rule of future continuous tense? We will use firstly subject, then helping verb, will be, shall be. This helping verb we will use in future continuous tense. Then verb first form plus ing plus object. Subject helping verb will be, shall be. Will be we will use with he, she, it and they. And shall be we will use with I, you and we. I, we and you we will use shall be. So now we can use will be with everyone, every subject. So subject helping verb will be, shall be, then first form plus ing. In present continuous helping verb was is, am, in past continuous we have used helping verb was, were, and in future we will use will be, shall be. And continuous tense first form and ing is common. In all continuous tenses one thing is common, one rule is common, first form plus ing. Only we will use change the helping verb. In present continuous we have used is, am, in past continuous we have used was, were, and in future continuous we will use will be or shall be. After this example I am going to give you, she will be cooking the food. She will be cooking the food. She subject will be helping verb, cook is first form plus ing and then object. So now I am going to change into negative sentence. After helping verb when we are using no, never and not, it will become the negative type of sentence. So keep in mind, when you are using not, between will or be we will use not. It doesn't mean we will use she will be not. It is incorrect. We will use she will not be. Between will or be we will use not. She will not be cooking the food. It is negative type of the sentence. And interrogative type of the sentence, when we are using helping verb before subject, it is called interrogative type of sentence. How? What is the helping verb is there? Will is helping verb. Will, she, then be. It doesn't mean you have to start the sentence with interrogative sentence from the will be. Will she be? Between will or be you will use subject here. Firstly will, that is our helping verb, then subject, then be. You have to separate will or be. Like in negative we have separated, not we have written between, and here in interrogative we will use will, between will or be we will use subject. Will she be cooking the food? And at last we will use sign of interrogation. It means question mark. Negative plus interrogative, how to use? When we are using helping verb before the subject, it is becoming the interrogative. It means we are using the interrogative type of sentence. So will, then subject, then not. Will she not be? After subject we will use not, and after that be cooking the food. This is interrogative and negative type of sentence. This is the rule of future continuous tense. This is the affirmative, positive sentence. This is negative, this is interrogative, and this is negative and interrogative. Thank you.